Nothing Phone 1. The best Android phone 2022. It's hard to imagine that any company releasing its first smartphone could generate the hype that Nothing has for the phone 1, but hype can be a double-edged sword. The trickle of teasers certainly built excitement and anticipation, and the 100,000 plus people who signed up to the waitlist to buy the phone prove it converted into sales, but has it put impossible pressure on a device that is, ultimately, just a phone? Perhaps, but it helps that Nothing has nailed the phone part. The phone 1 may not be life-changing, or the radical break from industry norms that founder Carl Pei would like you to think it is, but this is a well-specified, affordable phone that offers excellent value for money. But from a company that promised to upend the smartphone as we know it, is being very good enough? Design and build. Unique Glyph Interface lights. Semi-transparent design. IP53 rating. Let's start with what is special about the Nothing Phone 1. While this might look like a traditional enough phone from the front, aside from a meticulously symmetrical bezel, once you flip it around you see something a little different. Display and audio. 6.55 inches 120 Hz OLED display. Thick but symmetrical front bezel. Loud stereo speakers. The Nothing Phone 1 is equipped with a 6.55 inches screen, essentially bang on average for an Android phone in terms of size. With 120 Hz OLED tech, it's a little above average in terms of display quality, though you can certainly find similarly priced rivals with similar screens. It's bright and punchy, with attractive colors and HDR10+ support. Specs and performance. Mid-range Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset. Various RAM and storage options. Limited connectivity in the US. The Nothing Phone 1 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus, a mid-market chipset launched in October last year. It's this chip more than anything else that gives away the Phone 1's mid-range price, as it's both a tier below the flagship Snapdragon 8 series and also getting a little old. It's since been supplanted by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. Battery and charging. Disappointing battery life. No charger included. Wireless and reverse wireless charging. The Phone 1 is equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, which is another of the features that's basically average. I suspect it's been poorly optimized though, because battery life is definitely below average. This is just about a full day phone, but I wouldn't want to push it too far, and I've had it run out early on me once. As always with phones, that will only get worse over time too. Camera and video. 2 capable rear cameras. Decent selfie shooter. Video recording LED. The main lens uses the 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor, which can be found in phones ranging from mid-range rivals like the OnePlus Nord 2T right up to top-tier flagships like the Oppo Find X5 Pro. It's bright, punchy, and capable of some really attractive shots in most lighting conditions. There's even enough detail to hold up well when you punch into the 2x digital zoom option. If you're on desktop, you may have to drag to slide through the slideshow. Software and updates. Nothing OS is a simple Android 12 skin. Still some bugs to iron out. 3 Android OS updates promised. The Phone 1 ships running Android 12 with the simply named Nothing OS on top. If you tried out the public beta of the phone's launcher a few months before release, then you've already experienced most of what the company's custom Android skin has to offer. Price and availability. The Phone 1 is available to order now in the UK, Europe, and Asia. As a reminder, it won't be launching officially in the US or Canada, and importers should be cautious, as the phone may not work fully in North America. I'll admit that I was a little surprised when I was told the Phone 1's price. I knew it would be positioned competitively, but the final price still seems bullish. Here's how the 3 versions stack up. 8GB plus 128GB, pound €399 469 Indian rupee 32999. 8GB plus 256GB, pound 449 €499 Indian rupee 35999. 12GB plus 256GB, pound 499 €549 Indian rupee 38999, launching in late summer. If you're tempted, you can grab the phone direct from Nothing, or from Amazon, Selfridges, or O2 in the UK. It's also available from Amazon across Europe, and from Flipkart in India, and we have a dedicated guide on the best Nothing Phone 1 deals we've found. Specs: Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G+, 8/12GB LPDDR5 RAM, 128/256GB UFS 3.1 storage, 6.55 inches 120Hz OLED display. Rear camera: 50MP f/1.9 OIS main camera, 50MP f/2.2 ultrawide camera, 16MP f/2.5 selfie camera, 4500 mAh battery, 33W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, 5W reverse wireless charging, 5G, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, Glyph Interface LED lights, IP53, Gorilla Glass 5, Android 12 with Nothing OS 1. 159.2 by 75.8 by 8.3 mm. 194G.